What's up guys, hope you guys are doing good today. So today we are Monday, September 15. Today is officially day 8 of the challenge, so week 2. And tonight we can request a payout. Very nice. So I'll explain the recap and everything. If you guys enjoy at any moment, just subscribe. We're 20 away from 100, so it'd be very nice to hit that. So let's start. Now, we know that we need to wait until take profit update the dashboard, so around 9 a.m. for me, 9 p.m. sorry. So the payout would be, I'll show you guys proof of the payout tomorrow when it hits my Wise account. I mean, you guys will see, right? Now, let me show you guys the accounts. So this is what it's looking like. So the leader account, and I blurred that, so it's just safer. So the balance, everything, all of them, the buffer is met except this one. We only need like 300 more. And now, yeah, all of them, the buffer is met, so I can start requesting payout. Now there's a minimum of 250 per account that I can request. If I request less, I have to pay $50 on take profit, as you guys know. But yeah, so tonight I'll see if I can technically take a payout. I mean, 26,800 minus 26,500 is 300. So technically I can take a payout. So 300, 300 and 300, 369. Plus they pay me back the test fees. So yeah, around 1K payout, Canadian, yeah. So that's gonna be nice. Start stacking up some payouts, and now the buffer is met, I can start snowballing, you know. So yeah, that's the thing. Now what happened? Why is this 500, this 500, and the rest a little bit more? Well, first of all, I was risking 300 for a 1 to 2. So those 560, they make sense. I'll show you guys the trade recap in a sec. Now what happened is when I entered the trade, I was on mini NQ5 and not mini NQZ5. So what happened, they sent me a notification. I don't want to show you guys here. I'll just show you guys right there. So they said, oh, your order was rejected. You can't trade on this expiring contract and whatever. So they just basically told me to switch to QZ, right? So that's done. Now I know. But what happened is when I hit TP on, so when I entered the trade, everything entered the trade. But when I hit TP, this, well, stopped, and this one stopped, but the rest, they didn't stop. And then I went to check on my trade syncer. I seen that I'm up 1K. I'm like, what? Which is cool, but if let's say the buy side was respecting and then went down, I could have been cooked today. Anyway, then I just closed everything, looked at what's happening. Basically, I just had to switch. Now it's switched. Now we're good, right? So that's done. Today we had news, 8:30, nothing else. So that's perfect. So yeah, let's go into trading view. So let me just show you guys the recap real quick. And like I said, tomorrow in the recap video, I'll show you guys me requesting a payout. If I'm allowed to tonight. But I should be allowed to. All right, let's start. I'll make it quick, this recap. So I'll just put what's important. So, all right. So what can I see already? Market open is right there. Market open in 2 minutes. So let's wait 2 minutes. Bang. So market open, we're above London highs, but price comes back to the zone and we get a clean rejection like that, right? Now what can we see already? We have a 1 minute fair value gap right there. So let's fast forward to 940. 940, perfect. Now what can I see? What is price doing here? I'll show you guys. So let's remove this for now. Path. So what is price doing? Market open. Well, before market open, we're like that, right? Market open, bang, we hit this zone and straight up, go up, creating a fair value gap, right? So now we have a fair value gap right there. Now, technically speaking, what's gonna happen? Well, price is gonna rebalance into a fair value gap and then go higher, right? Right, so let's remove this. So technically we are in a continuation, we're looking for longs. Okay, let's fast forward. 944, perfect. I'm still waiting for either this fair value gap to get hit, or if we create a new one, right? So right now we create a new one right there. So this is where, if price comes back to this fair value gap box, is my entry. So now stop loss could have been here. Me personally, I place it here because let's say if we disrespect this, then we're just gonna go all the way down. So no need to place it here. Anyway, I was looking for a 1 to 2 perfectly like that, but we had this buy side right there. We just had to be careful. So bang, next candle hits, I'm in. 1 minute, 2 minute, and 3 minute, full TP hit, and we're done. So this is where all my account closed, but the remaining accounts, they just kept getting in profit, and then I looked and closed right away. Let's go check yes. My entry was 947. We had this buy side. So yeah, pretty much the same thing. 1 to 2, bang, I closed, and that was it. Very simple. Let's keep it simple like that. So yeah, beautiful day. If you guys enjoyed, subscribe, like. And yeah, very happy for the day. And yeah, now I'm risking 300 for 6. So not here, let me show you guys. So usually I was risking 250 because look, my buffer or my drawdown is this divided by 250. So I can lose in a row, 6 trades in a row before blowing my account, right? But now if I'm just risking 300, it's still 5. So making a little bit more, so I'm making 600 and I have 5 consecutive L before I blow the account, was making sense. So there's no need for me to risk 250. I'll just stick with 300 for now, and that's it. So yeah, that's why I was risking 300. All right guys, see you guys tomorrow.